Have you ever wanted to celebrate spring the Swedish way? Curious how Walpurgis Night, known as Valborg in Sweden, welcomes the arrival of longer days, warmer air, and the joyful end of winter. Wondering how Scandinavian homes and outdoor spaces capture that magical moment with bonfire light, fresh greenery, and simple Nordic styling? And looking for meaningful seasonal touches like floral crowns, lantern displays, and nature-inspired tables that feel authentic rather than overly decorative? Stay with us because today we're exploring Walpurgis Night decoration ideas for Swedish spring celebrations, bringing Scandinavian warmth, light, and renewal into your home. What is Walpurgis Night and why is it celebrated? Walpurgis Night, or Valborg, is one of Sweden's most cherished spring traditions. Celebrated on the evening of April 30th, communities gather around large bonfires to symbolically burn away winter and welcome the brighter days ahead. People sing traditional songs, gather with friends and family, and celebrate the return of warmth and light after the long Nordic winter. How can decor reflect the spirit of Valborg? Valborg decor should feel natural, warm, and communal. Instead of elaborate decorations, Scandinavian styling focuses on natural textures, candlelight, and simple greenery. The goal is to create an atmosphere that feels relaxed and welcoming, like a cozy gathering in the Swedish countryside. If you love seasonal Nordic decor ideas, like this video and share it with someone who enjoys spring celebrations. What colours work best for Walpurgis decorations? The best colour palette reflects both spring landscapes and Swedish culture. Soft whites, warm neutrals, mossy greens, pale blues, and subtle hints of yellow mirror blooming fields, and the national colours of Sweden. These shades feel fresh, uplifting, and symbolic of renewal. How can natural elements enhance the celebration? Nature is central to Scandinavian design. Birch branches, wildflowers, moss, pine cones, and wooden elements help create a genuine Nordic atmosphere. Simple arrangements of greenery or freshly picked flowers bring life and freshness into the decor. Tell us in the comments how you welcome spring in your home. How can you create a cozy bonfire-inspired setup? If celebrating outdoors, arrange lanterns, wooden stools, and blankets around a safe fire pit or symbolic centrepiece. Add rustic benches or cushions where guests can gather comfortably, encouraging conversation and togetherness as the evening unfolds. What lighting creates the perfect Walpurgis ambience? Lighting is essential for recreating the warmth of a traditional bonfire gathering. Lanterns, fairy lights, and clusters of candles provide a soft golden glow that mimics firelight. As dusk falls, these lights create a magical Scandinavian atmosphere. For more Scandinavian-inspired styling ideas, check out our full playlist in the description. can floral crowns be part of the decor? Floral crowns are a beautiful symbol of spring and renewal. Made from wildflowers, greenery, or simple blossoms, they represent the arrival of nature's new life. Display them on a table, hang them on chairbacks, or invite guests to wear them for a festive and traditional touch. What table decor suits a Valborg gathering? Keep table decor simple and rustic. Linen runners, ceramic dishes, wooden boards, and small flower arrangements create a relaxed yet elegant Scandinavian table. The arrangement should feel natural and effortless rather than perfectly formal. Subscribe for more elegant European seasonal decor ideas. How can you decorate a spring food or dessert table? A Valborg food table should feel abundant yet simple. Arrange fresh bread, pastries, berries and cheeses on wooden boards or ceramic platters. Glass jars with wildflowers or greenery add rustic beauty to the display. How can outdoor seating be styled for comfort? Scandinavian evenings in early spring can still be cool, so comfort is essential. Layer wool throws, soft cushions, and woven baskets filled with blankets around the seating area. These cozy elements make guests feel relaxed and welcome. What entryway decor welcomes guests beautifully? A wreath made from birch branches, greenery, or wildflowers is a simple yet elegant way to welcome guests. Placing lanterns or candles near the entrance also adds warmth and atmosphere. Explore more spring celebration ideas in our similar videos listed in the description. How can music and decor work together? Traditional Valborg gatherings often include singing. Create a cozy corner with seating, candles and blankets where guests can gather to share music or stories. The decor should encourage connection and a sense of community. What small details elevate the celebration? Thoughtful details make the celebration memorable. Handwritten place cards, tiny flower jars, wooden serving trays, or small lanterns create charming focal points. In Scandinavian styling, simplicity often creates the most beautiful results. If you enjoy meaningful seasonal styling, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you celebrate Walpurgis Night on a budget? You don't need expensive decorations to capture the spirit of Valborg. Gather branches from nature, use recycled jars as candle holders, and decorate with garden flowers. Scandinavian decor celebrates creativity, sustainability, and simplicity. Walpurgis Night is a celebration of light, renewal and community. By embracing natural materials, warm lighting, fresh greenery and simple Nordic styling, you can create a spring gathering that feels authentic and heartfelt. Whether indoors or outdoors, keep the atmosphere cozy, minimal and nature-inspired, welcoming the season of light with warmth, joy and togetherness. If you enjoyed these Walpurgis Night decor ideas, like this video and share it with friends celebrating spring. Tell us how you celebrate Valborg or welcome spring in the comments below. Explore our spring celebration playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more European seasonal decor ideas. Looking for more spring styling inspiration? Check out similar videos linked below. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.